Hey, how you doing? I've been around for a while. I've had a few weeks off, been a bit ill. But I'm back. Maybe not as often, but I'm back. Need a shave as well. Oh, looking old. So yeah, we've got a lot of cleaning up to do actually. The garden hasn't been touched for a while. And it's a bit sad actually, the pigeons have decimated my brassicas. Bless them. Take a look at this. See what the bastard pigeons have done. Eaten the bloody lot. Again, my fault for not covering it all. But hey, geraniums are still coming out. So what you see here is a combination of probably 4 weeks to 6 weeks of clips that I've taken and just haven't put together because I haven't been around. But it also got me thinking about why we do this, why we make these videos, why we take the time out of our day to do this stuff. Well, it's definitely not for money. I suppose we've all got our own reasons for why we do things. Mine, I think, is sort of more therapeutic. I like to look back and remember things, see what I've learned, and especially at my stage in life where I'm struggling to remember things. I know my kids take the mick out of me saying I'm over dramatic, but I am slowly losing the synapses up here. And I want a record of stuff so I can look back and remember things. It takes images and voices and music to join those dots. So for me, it's just a cathartic sort of remembrance, really. I love being outside. I love seeing nature. I love seeing things grow. I love learning, albeit very slowly with gardening. I just like doing this stuff. Now, I've also enjoyed not having to do it for the last sort of 2 months, really. It's been a gap and I haven't had that pressure. And life, just happens around you, doesn't it? Sometimes you haven't got time. And that break has made me appreciate being outside more, I think. And now I've got the other end of the spectrum though, because I haven't done it for a while. Stuff is going to shit out there. And now I'm thinking, bugger, I've got to get this in hand, and then I'm building up my own pressure. I don't want that. But it'll be nice just to get back out there and slowly, methodically tick little bits off here and there so I can see the end game. And that's what I'll be doing over winter. Not a good start to the day. As you can see, a chicken got out and they've wrecked the joint. They've dug up that geranium. They've broken a branch off the cosmos. Bad girls. Yes, you. Oh, that's the hole. I've just realised. That's how you got out. Bloody hell. You buggers. That's my newly planted cabbages. Buggered. Cosmos snapped everywhere. Digging up the borage. My thyme pots knocked over. You are little buggers. Let's see if we can help this poor geranium. It's been totally dug up, the roots are up and everything. You buggers, you've got food. Water it and hope. This poor cosmos has all been, yeah, branches all snapped where they've been jumping up. Oh, I just heard a crack. Oh, that means that whole bough's got come off. What a shame. Oh, they're all broken. Oh. See if I can just cut that and retie it. Where to put my snips? I haven't left them in there, have I? Where have I put them? Oh, in the garage. Desperately trying to hang on to this for some colour as the rest of the garden is dying back. We shall see what survives. Using wire snips to prune or deadhead. There. Ooh. So it looks like I'm going to have to cut all this honeysuckle back, which was growing through the chicken wire, but the chicken wire is rotted. So we're going to have to cut all this out, cut the honeysuckle back, and then try and put in some more chicken wire. But I've only got a certain size and certain width, so I might have to do a patchwork, I think, just for now. Unfortunately, my cosmos is, oh no, that's all the honeysuckle. Shut up. Right. I'll try and fix this big gaping hole. So I'm going to need chicken wire, snips, and staple gun. That's what I need. Right, come on. Where are you? Is it just you? Go on, go, go on, go. I have to block that off, I think. Quick swig of coffee. Oh, covered in cobwebs. Right. I don't know how this is going to fit. Will it stretch? It might do. If I pull it. Pull it. Just realised. Oh, here we go. Bugger off. Right. If I staple it along the top, I might be able to pull it down enough. Otherwise, I'm going to have to cut it and do it in sections that way. I might do that instead. Shut up. Right. Give it a go, I think, that way. Needs a lot of cutting, but hey ho. Right, pull this down as best I can. Staple down here. Right, that's secured, so next row for snipping. Oh, a couple more staples. I nearly sat on their perch then. We might just be lucky enough if we stretch that out a bit. Yeah, I think we got this. Just got to tie this in a bit somehow. I have to get some little ties for that gap. Oh, run out of staples, would you believe it? Yes, actually I would. Lock and load. Maybe one more in there. And I've got to tie these together. Oh well, quick fix. I don't think they get through that hole for now, and I can do it from the other side, so. What do you want? So, thanks for joining us again. There'll be more stuff clearing up, digging up, the more sort of mundane stuff, not the pretty frilly stuff. There'll be more of that coming, but not as regularly probably. Catch you later. Do what makes you happy.